No, she's still with her, but I might.
We're starting.
You stop.
Yeah.
We're doing the fleshy video now. You stop it, Fred, you idiot. What? Sonic! Sonic!
Spaz, stop following me. You got us handcuffed.
That's nice. What's this thing?
You want any more sushi?
Yes. Tifa's that skunk?
I conquer Cloud. Bye. That's my job.
Ow. No. Love? Who the hell are you?
I'm Tifa the Skunky.
That's off me! Yeah! Stop it, stupid skunk.
Doo-doo-doo.
Hey, Supersonic.
Good.
Hey, Kadash. Who the hell are you?
He just died.
Are you sure you're not Riku in disguise? What are you talking about? Riku! Oh, crap. Oh, let me go.
Sora!
Let go. Sonic.
Hey, Sora, say hi to the camera.
Yo, I'm Sora, the Keyblade Master, and I rock. And by the way, Sonic, if you die in Kingdom Hearts 3, since you're playing as me in Sonic Hearts. I know, it's a tragic.
I don't want to die.
Too late, you die.
I don't want to die. I'm just gonna sit in the corner and be emo.
Help me, Cloud, Sora. Why? Because Shadow is, oh god, bad memories.
That's...
Oh, poor Cloud. Kiss me. Ow, get off me, Fred. You stupid. Okay, that was it. Grabs the sword. Die! I'll kill you. What the crap?
Fred faces a wild Sora.
I'm human, not a Pokemon. Ooh. Man's on Shadow.
Hi, people.
Man's on Shadow. Oh, Cloud, you are so soft. Okay.
Where's the Sori?
I don't know. Look at people! I have no dick! And I pulled out my pants. Uh-oh. What? Ooh. Oh, crap, get off!
Let's kind of turn off the camera.
You're so...
Let's turn it off. I don't know how to turn it off.
Don't know how to turn off.